Hi, my name is Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your robot-friendly wheelie. All you'll need is this littleBits Gizmos and Gadgets kit. littleBits are fun electronic parts that you can use to build all sorts of amazing inventions. So grab your kit, and let's get started.
Here's all the stuff you'll need. The base, 2 wheels, 2 motors, 1 power connector, 1 battery, a power switch, 2 Bluetooth controllers, and 1 splitter. Here's the base, 1 wheel, and a motor. Notice this metal part right here. That's the part you're going to want to align with your wheel and make sure it's aligned properly so it doesn't fall. Set that aside for now and put together another one. Here's a 9-volt battery and the power connector. Align that properly and snap it into place. Set that aside and bring out your power connector. Connect the wire to the power connector and then flip the switch to make sure it works. The light should turn red. Here is the Bluetooth controller. Notice it says W30 Blue. That's what it should say on your phone when you open up the app later on. You should have 2 of these. Here is your splitter. You will want to connect your Bluetooth controller to each end of the splitter. Connect the last part of the splitter to your battery and power connector. Now we're going to snap the wheels onto place. Connect the bottom of both the motors to the base lengthwise. Next, connect your 2 Bluetooth controllers to your motors. Now snap your connections to the base. Make sure you're moving the wires out of the way so the wheelie doesn't get tangled. Make sure you leave enough space in the middle to connect your power connector. You will need enough space to make sure you can flip the switch on and off. Now you can take your glue dots or tape, place it right here, and connect the battery to the bottom. This is so the battery will not be following wheelie around. When you turn it on, you will notice 2 blinking white lights. That's how you know wheelie is ready to be connected. Set him aside for now, and open up your littleBits app on your phone. Pull out the side menu, tap on bit controls, and then tap on drive mode. You should see 2 options. Select it, then select it again. You should see a screen that says, Awesome! Once you have connected it, wheelie's lights will turn green. That means he is ready to roll. Just hit start playing, and off he goes. Wow, look at him go. Congratulations, you now have your very own robot best friend.